Welcome to the in front of me POCO C40, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So to do that, we should first open the scanner QR codes application. It can be here in Tools folder. Just to do that, click to the scanner app, click Yes, I agree. Click here Allow only this time or while using the app. Now we should place our QR code here into this frame. Just to do that, I'll make it from here. And now we can here directly go to this website, to this link. If you wanna just go here directly, just tap here, go to website, and if you wanna just copy after that this link, you can make it and you can send also this from this just article, Wikipedia article, to someone. So that's it. That's how to scan QR codes with our device help. Also, if you wanna just use it from the notification panel shortcuts, you should just open the notification panel and find here the scanner feature. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.